Naingayan siya, lagatan.
Ay, pipi.
Pipi! Pipi in the water daw. Si Lion pipi in the water. Eli.
Here's one tail.
One tail?
Here's one.
His back. His, lay down on your back.
Is it still alive?
This is the real starfish.
It's like, look,
Balik ka din mo.
Still alive.
Really? Still alive? Let me see. That's the real starfish, Jacob. Is it?
yeah.
Man, it's quite fine.
See the tortoise. Turtle. Tortoise. Redfoot tortoise.
Can you touch it?
Oh. No, Jacob.
Balambo,
no.
kaya dutong.
No. It's big. Jacob, look at me.
Pwede na niya.
Iuwi mo to. Pika! Patagonia.
They look like.
Palang sa... Ha? Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. Hi. Where you going? Kurt asked where he's going. Where you going? Where you going? Don't see that.
I like that picture.
Yeah. You tried to run? No, you don't. Got my life back. Nowhere.
You do like that. It's gonna fly to the roof.
They don't like it.
Are they fighting?
They don't like it. Oh, it's a big one.
Why is he noisy? Like, look at that sea.
They're looking up.
Look at that sea.
Oh, it's like magic.
They look like sunflowers.
Yes. Babies.
Like right there.
Swimming. Oh my God. Swimming. They're swimming. Oh God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are they 5?
Mo yung 5 little ducks.
5.
Little ducks for the water.
Yeah! 1 little. Yeah! Yeah! This. No, Jake, Daddy. Look, over there.
Baby turtle.
No, a snapping turtle.
Snapping turtle.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
they're still baby. Hey, video. Jacob, look! Whee! Jacob, look, some birds behind you! Wow, birds! Look at Jacob! Wow, what are they doing, Jacob? Look! Wow! It's a variant of lemur, I think.
Lemur and raccoon.
Yeah.
And anteater.
Oh, yeah.
And kale.
Yeah.
He's a vegetarian, no?
Really? Oh, this. Oh, he's looking. Hi. Hi.
It's already fake. Yeah, a big.
So we refer to it as their love song. They perform this love song every single day, usually between the hours of 9 and 11 a.m. If you look at their arms,
How about eat? What's this? Oh. Where's your other leg?